for most of you, well, for all of you who don't know, Auntie Kule, this was her sister's song that she wrote. So, unfortunately, we never choreographed the hula to it. Well, I did once, but she never liked it. So, I had to re-choreograph it, and now it's after the fact. But anyhow, this is in honor of Auntie Kule Perez. Kaholo, ku papale, kau pono I ka po'o, tu papale lauhala, ka hele ma'o, a hele ma'anei, ku papale lauhala. Ku papale kau pono I ka po'o, ku papale lauhala, ka hele ma'o, a hele ma'anei, ku papale lauhala. Holoholo kahakai, ku papale holoholo kahakai, ku papale mahi ai, hale ako I ka wela o kala, tu papale lauhala. Second chance. Papale holoholo kahakai, ku papale mahi ai, pale ako I ka wela o kala, tu papale lauhala. Keu kau'i, keu tau'i, o tu papale me ke ala o ka lei hala. Mai ho ohai, mai oe ia'u, o lilo ana tu papale. Keu kau'i, keu tau'i, o tu papale e ke ala o ka lei hala. Mai ho ohai, mai oe ia'u, o lilo ana tu papale. Kaulana, Kaulana, o tu papale I ka hele ma'o ma'anei, haina mai ana kapuana e, ku papale lauhala. Kaulana, Kaulana, o tu papale I ka hele ma'o ma'anei, haina mai ana kapuana e, ku papale lauhala, ku papale lauhala. One more time, ku papale lauhala. Lava, mahalo.